The sands of South Texas are trembling once again. But this isn't the familiar shudder of an old friend. This is something bigger. SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, right before our eyes. Their new launch site, LaunchPad 2, is coming to life. Not just another slab, but a bold statement. Every weld, every bolt, every system check is a step toward humanity's next giant leap. LaunchPad 2 is the centerpiece of this vision, designed for a launch cadence once thought impossible. The first major tests are the heartbeats of a new era, signaling the true beginning of Starship. The excitement is global. Space enthusiasts everywhere are watching history unfold. These initial tests aren't just routine, they're about proving that we can build a robust, reusable gateway to the solar system. This isn't about launching a single rocket, it's about launching a fleet, creating a highway to orbit and beyond. SpaceX learns from every test, every failure, every success. Pad 2 embodies all the lessons learned from its predecessor, a smarter, stronger, more capable platform. As the systems roar to life, the dream of interplanetary travel is being forged now, not in some distant future. The ground shakes, water vapor billows, and our ambition to explore the cosmos rises higher. We are all spectators to history in the making. The scientific method is unfolding on a colossal scale. Each test is a step toward routine access to space. The era of Starship is here. The journey to the stars begins at Pad 2. What makes LaunchPad 2 so special? It's all about managing incredible energy. Massive new water tanks feed a powerful deluge system, flooding the launch mount with water at ignition. This brute force solution tames the fury of 33 Raptor engines. The flame trench, a canyon of steel and concrete, channels the exhaust safely away. It's wider, deeper and reinforced, built to withstand forces that would pulverize lesser structures. Water from the tank surges through enormous pipes, blasting a torrent upward to create a protective cushion of steam and spray. This system absorbs the deafening sound and cools the pad, preventing it from melting under the rocket's heat. The upgrades create a fundamentally more resilient launch environment. The new water tanks, redesigned flame trench and deluge system work together as a complex, robust puzzle. Each component is engineered for the repeated stresses of launching the world's most powerful rocket. This isn't about one launch, it's about rapid, routine access to space. The system is built for minimal turnaround time. That's the key to making spaceflight routine. Every detail is designed for resilience and reusability. Pad 2 is a launch pad built for the future. It's a leap forward in launch infrastructure. The groundwork for a new era is set. Why all these upgrades? Because Starship is a beast. Its super heavy booster with 33 Raptor engines generates over 16 million pounds of thrust, more than double Saturn V. You can't unleash that power without serious preparation. The deluge system creates a buffer, instantly turning water to steam and absorbing immense heat. This protects the pad and dampens shock waves that could shake a rocket apart. The flame trench directs the exhaust away, preventing craters and flying debris. The steel flame deflector withstands temperatures of thousands of degrees, channeling a man-made volcano. These aren't just improvements, they're necessities for repeatable launches. Pad 2 is built for rapid reuse, a major shift from the old repair-heavy approach. It's about taming the beast, not just surviving it. This is the foundation for high-frequency launches. To appreciate Pad 2, compare it to its predecessor, Pad 1. Pad 1 was the trailblazer, but it bore the scars of early development, lacking a robust flame trench and deluge system. The first orbital test pulverized the concrete, sending debris sky-high, a dramatic lesson in raw power. Pad 2 is the answer, built from the ground up with a full flame deflector and powerful deluge system. Its foundation is deeper, stronger, and ready for the super heavy booster. Pad 1 isn't being abandoned, it's set for a complete overhaul to match or surpass Pad 2. This is classic SpaceX build, test, learn, and build better. 2 operational pads are critical for high launch rates, while one launches, the other preps or maintains. This creates a pipeline, a factory line to orbit. The 2-pad system unlocks rapid reusability, the heart of Starship's mission. Imagine starships launching every few days or even hours, impossible with just one pad. Redundancy and parallel operations are key. The evolution from Pad 1 to Pad 2 is SpaceX's long-term strategy in action. It's the groundwork for making spaceflight common and affordable. The future is being built in steel and concrete. With Pad 2 ready, the next stars are Booster 18 and Ship 39. These vehicles are in final assembly and testing at Starbase. Soon, they'll be rolled out, stacked, and prepped for flight. Booster 18 is a super heavy prototype, bristling with 33 Raptor engines. Ship 39 is the upper stage, the Starship that will carry people and cargo to orbit, the moon, and beyond. Stacked together, they form the tallest rocket in history. Every engine, valve, and tile is rigorously tested. Static fire tests and system checks ensure everything works in harmony. Each flight provides invaluable data, feeding back into the next generation. It's a relentless cycle of iteration, SpaceX's hallmark. While Booster 18 and Ship 39 impress, SpaceX is already developing Starship version 3. This isn't a minor update, it's a major evolution. Version 3 will be bigger, carrying more propellant and lifting over 200 tons to orbit, fully reusable. This leap enables construction of large orbital structures, lunar bases, and Martian cities. Version 3 is designed for colonization, not just exploration. Raptor engines will be more powerful and efficient, manufacturing streamlined, and thermal protection improved. Every system is scrutinized for improvement. The goal, a rocket that's capable, cheap, and easy to operate. Development of version 3 happens in parallel with current testing. SpaceX never waits for perfection. Production facilities are being readied for this larger vehicle. Pad 2 is built to handle version 3's increased size and thrust. The infrastructure is ready for the next leap. The future is already in motion. Where is this all leading? By 2026, SpaceX aims for high-frequency launches, weekly, even daily. Routine launches will slash the cost of access to orbit, opening space to new possibilities. Orbital refueling is the next game-changer. Tanker starships will transfer fuel in orbit, enabling deep space missions. By 2026, SpaceX plans to have demonstrated this capability multiple times. Full and rapid reusability is the holy grail. Boosters and ships returning, landing, and relaunching like airplanes. Pad 2 is more than concrete and steel. It's the foundation of a new era. It will serve as the template for future launch sites, even on the Moon and Mars. High launch frequency, orbital refueling, and rapid reusability are the keys. Pad 2 is a critical piece of the puzzle. The dream of a multi-planetary future is becoming tangible. The road to the stars is being paved in South Texas. The journey is just beginning. The future of spaceflight starts now.